Now we will see question number 9 of exercise 5.1 lines and angles standard 7th. So question number 9 is in the adjoining figure. Okay, figure is given to us and with the help of this figure we have to write the answers of these questions. So first question is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Now if we see this figure carefully, angle 1 means this part is given to us and angle 2 means this part is given to us. So angle AOC is our angle 1 and angle COE is our angle 2. So they are asking that angle 1 and 2, are they adjacent? दोनों adjacent है. So we have already seen the definition of adjacent. What is adjacent? Adjacent means they should be connected through a common point. Okay, there should be one common vertex point, there should be one common arm. Okay, arm means ray, and the other non-common arm should be on the either side. Okay, so let us check the conditions are satisfied or not. So angle 1 and angle 2 means this angle and this angle, angle 1 or angle 2, ये दोनों connected है from this vertex point O. Okay, also this OC is common ray, so one arm is common. Okay, and OA means this part, AO and OE, these two ray they are on the either side of this ray. Okay, एक ray इस तरफ है और दूसरा इस तरफ है. तो जो भी non common arms है, these both are non common, they are not common. This OC is common. Why? Because if you see angle AOC, OC is coming in that, and if you see angle COE, again this CO is repeated. So this OC, this much part is common. Okay, this is common arm. But this AO and OE, they are not common. They are non-common. So non-common rays are on the either side. So all the conditions are satisfied. So angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. So the answer will be yes. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. You can write yes. You can write full statement that angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Now let us see second question now. So second one is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Now they are asking that is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Again going back to the figure. So figure, where is angle AOC? Means this part, again angle 1, and angle AOE. AOE means this whole part. Okay, AOE means this whole part, यहाँ से लेके ये पूरा आपका हो जाएगा AOE. So if you see this figure carefully, again they are asking that ये दोनों adjacent है कि नहीं, they are adjacent or not. Let us again check the condition. So first condition is they should have a common vertex point. Okay, common vertex point है O. Second condition is they should have a common ray. If you see this AOC and AOE, which letters are repeated? This AO and AO is repeated in both. So this AO is common arm. वो common है for both the angles. So AO is the common arm. Now common arm यहाँ पे दिया है. Angle is this and this whole part. तो common arm जो है it is given this side, outside part. और जो non common arms है they are given here. One is here and one is here. And according to the condition, the non-common arms should be on either side of the common arm. जो common arm है उसके एक इस तरफ होना चाहिए और दूसरा इस तरफ होना चाहिए, right? According to the condition of adjacent. So third condition is not satisfied. We have common vertex point, okay? We have one common arm also, but the non-common arm they are not on the either side. So here the answer will be no. So AOC is not adjacent to AOE. So this angle and this angle, this AOC means itna part और ये AOE means ये पूरा part. These both angle are not adjacent. Okay. Now third one we will see now. Third question. Do angle COE. COE means this angle and angle EOD. So EOD means ये पूरा angle. EOD means ये पूरा 3 plus 4, this whole part. Okay, they form a linear pair. Now they are asking that ये दोनों जो angle है COE. COE means ये वाला angle COE और दूसरा angle EOD. तो ये EO और ये D. ओके, सो ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल ये पूरा EOD. So this angle and this angle, are they forming a linear pair? They are asking that. So if you see the figure carefully, then you will get the answer that yes, they form a linear pair, because angle EOC or COE and EOD, they both make a straight line. See, straight line we are getting. So yes, they form a linear pair. Also they are connected, and if you add this whole part, you will get 180 degree. How much you will get? 180 degree. So whenever two angles they combine and one straight line is formed, then they both are linear pair. So angle COE means ये वाला एंगल, एंड एंगल EOD मीन्स EOD ये वाला पूरा एंगल. ओके, ये बड़ा वाला पार्ट. तो ये दोनों जो एंगल है दे आर मेकिंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये इस दोनों एंगल को अगर कंबाइन करेंगे, सो फ्रॉम हियर टिल हियर मीन्स व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, मीन्स they both are linear pair, and the total is always 180 degrees. So yes, COE and EOD they form a linear pair. Okay, so the answer will be yes. Now fourth one, angle BOD and angle DOA are supplementary. Okay, this is the question, that they are supplementary or not. Let us see. BOD, where is BOD? If you see carefully, BOND means this angle, angle 4. Okay, BOD means ये वाला angle. And next angle they are talking about DOA. So where is DOA? DOA, yes. If you see, BOD means this angle, DOA means this angle. So again, these both angle, if you combine, if you add, again they make a straight line. BOD means this part and DOA means this part. So this angle and this angle, they both combine, and this straight line we are getting, straight line we are getting means 180 degree, और supplementary का total कितना होता है? 180 degree. So ये दोनों angle supplementary है. So answer will be yes, they are supplementary. Angle BOD and angle DOA, they are supplementary, because we can see that they both combine, दोनों combine करेंगे, so we are getting a straight line, और straight line का measurement always it is equal to 180 degree. Okay, they are making straight line, they are linear pair, and the total is 180. So total is 180 means they are supplementary angles. So fourth answer will be yes. Now fifth is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Now see carefully, where is angle 1? So angle 1 means ये इतना part. Okay, सिर्फ इतना part है आपका angle 1. Okay, ये वाले portion में ये angle 1 है. Angle 4 means this side, ये part. So yes, they are vertically opposite. Angle 4 is here and angle 1 is here. So this portion is angle 1 and this part is angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 4, they are vertically opposite angles. They are opposite to each other and they are vertically opposite. So yes, the answer will be yes. Now sixth one, what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Now we have to find out the vertically opposite angle of angle 5. Angle 5 के opposite में कौन सा vertically opposite angle होगा? That we have to find out. So angle 5 means this part, this whole part. This whole part. So the vertically opposite angle of angle 5 should be, आपको देखना है angle 5 का opening कितना है. So here to here. Okay, so इतने part का vertically opposite. So if you see the cross line, the X mark you have to keep in mind. So this is the X part. Okay, so ये वाला आपका angle 5 है. इसका जो vertically opposite angle होगा means ये होगा 2 plus 3. So if you add angle 2 plus 3, don't take this part. So this angle 5 is vertically opposite to this both. ये दोनों angle का अगर हम total करेंगे, ये पूरा part. ओके, ये पूरा पार्ट, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू दिस पार्ट, मीन्स एंगल 5 के एग्जैक्टली सामने 2 plus 3 आ रहा है. ओके, दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट इक्वल टू एंगल 5. सो एंगल 5 इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट टू एंगल 2 plus एंगल 5 मीन्स COB. ये पूरा एंगल COB या तो BOC भी लिख सकते हैं. तो ये वाला जो पूरा एंगल है, दिस होल पार्ट COB, दैट इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल टू एंगल 5. So this is our sixth answer. Now in statement form, if you wish to see the answer with reasons, just a minute. So we have seen with the help of figure Now this way you will write it in statement, and this way you will give reason for that. So first one's answer was yes, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Second one, it was no, angle AOC is not adjacent to angle AOE. दोनों adjacent नहीं है. The reason was OC and OE, they do not lie on the either side of common arm OA. Okay, so they do not lie on the either side. So this was the second one. Third, we have seen that BOD and DOA, they form linear pair or not. So yes, they are forming linear pair because they combine and they make a straight line, and the total is 180 degree. So third answer was yes. Fourth one, again they were asking that BOD and DOA are supplementary or not. So the answer was yes. Angle BOD and angle DOA, if you see the figure, they both combine and they make a straight line, means linear pair, and linear pair का total always 180 degree होता है. So yes, they are supplementary, और supplementary का भी condition क्या है, total should be 180 degree. So yes, they are supplementary. Fifth answer was angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4 or not. So answer is yes, they both are vertically opposite angle. We have seen the definition of vertically opposite angle. So angle 1 के exactly सामने angle 4 है. So angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4. Similarly, the last question, that is sixth one, was angle phi. Which angle is the vertically opposite angle of angle phi? So if you see again the figure, you will see this X shape. Okay, in the figure, if you see, angle 5 is given this side, angle 5. But here in between one ray is given, and this is your angle 2 and this is your angle 3. So this 5 means this much part is equal to this whole part, vertically opposite angle. So ये X shape आपको देखना है. So angle 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. दोनों का जो total करेंगे, so that is equal to angle 5. So vertically opposite angle of angle 5 is angle 2 plus angle 3. Or if you see, the name is given BOC. The name is BOC or COB. So angle 5 is equal to this whole angle BOC. Angle 2 plus angle 3 का total इसका vertically opposite angle होगा. So this was question number 9 of exercise 5.1. Hope you understood.